Lesson 1, Introduction.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Where are you from?
I am from Thailand.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Lesson 2, Daily Routine.
What time do you wake up?
I'll wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I'll brush my teeth and have breakfast.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Lesson 3, Hobbies.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading and playing football.
How often do you practice your hobbies?
I practice them every day.
Why do you like your hobbies?
They help me relax and have fun.
Lesson 4, Family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor, and my mother is a lawyer.
Lesson 5, Work.
Where do you work?
I work at digital marketing company.
What is your job?
I am a graphic designer.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like it very much.
Lesson 6, Food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cake.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook fish cake.
Lesson 7, Travel.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have traveled to France.
What is your favorite travel destination?
My favorite travel destination is take a picture with Eiffel Tower.
Why do you like it?
I like it so much.
Lesson 8, Weather.
What is the weather like today?
The weather is fine.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Why do you like that season?
I like it because of cold weather.
Lesson 9, Shopping.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I usually buy clothes and shoes.
Where do you like to shop?
I like to shop at Gratmo.
Lesson 10, Health.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating well and exercising.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every day.
What type of exercise do you do?
I usually yoga exercise.
Lesson 11, Friends.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met at university.
Lesson 12, Sports.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What is your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch is dot football match.
Who is your favorite athlete?
My favorite athlete is Messi.
Lesson 13, Entertainment.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Leonardo.
What is the last movie you watched?
The last movie I watched was The Wolf of Wall Street.
Lesson 14, Technology.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone.
What apps do you use the most?
I use English learning apps the most.
How has technology changed your life?
Technology has made my life easier, but I like to learn English conversion.
Lesson 15. Celebrations.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Sunday.
How do you celebrate it?
I celebrate it by my friends.
Do you have any family traditions?
No, we have.